guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have February's little bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the February 2026 little bee box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing baby box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I'm so excited. We have a little change. New year, new change. And that is this box right now is going to go to my little cousin's little girl. If you did see the Scentsy unboxing, I did talk about her because she was the one that was selling that stuff, and she still is, but she is a stay-at-home mom. Her little one just turned a year old. Her clothing size is 18 months, she said. And that is the great thing about this box is you tell them what size, and then as they grow and get, bigger, you just update it to so they know how to tailor your box. So everything is custom made for that specific child, age, gender, season, the time of year, the milestones, everything is taken into consideration when they build these mystery boxes for each child. So I'm so excited to now get more baby things again because she's only a year old and the other ones are getting so much older now. So I'm so excited to show you a new model, a new face, and a smaller size again. So let's dive in and get into it. I'm really excited. This box just arrived today. Today is Wednesday, and I just got back from the store getting all my dog's stuff to make her food. I wasn't planning on filming. This was supposed to come tomorrow, and it showed up today, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I threw myself together really quick because I want to then take my photos really quick, package this up, and try to get this to the post office and then get back and make her food, which is an all-day experience, and I'm already halfway through the day now. But you know what? We're gonna get everything done. I'm gonna try to get this to her so she can get it by Valentine's Day, just in case there's something in here that's Valentine's Day themed. So either way, I'm gonna hurry up and try to get this mailed to her so she can get this hopefully by Valentine's Day. There's something in here that's making some sounds. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in the February box. Again, this is for a 1-year-old little girl with a clothing size of 18 months. Little chunky dunk. So it always comes down in their box, which they are very nice. You can store things in them if you want. They stack nicely, or you can just recycle it. You always do have a card right on top that gives you some notes and tips and all of that. The owner actually did make her own book, and it is published and is on Amazon. And if you want to check that out, I will have that listed in the description box as well. It's a book to help busy moms stay busy doing what they need to do and juggling everything all at once. So if you want to check out her book, she does have her own book. So when we keep going in here, you do have the thank you card right on top. If you do have a social and you get this box, you can tag them and you might be featured on their Instagram or their website. You always have the cutest bee tissue paper. It wouldn't be the bee box without it. Oh, yes, there is something that's Valentine's Day theme. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get smaller clothes. Are you guys excited to see smaller clothes? Because I'm excited. Let's go ahead and just start pulling things out. The first thing is this really cute little monkey, and it says to someone special. It's just a pink little monkey, and you can be hang it on the stroller, the car seat, around their neck. But here is a cute little monkey, and it's so cute for Valentine's Day as well. That is adorable. So she has her own little toy. Up next, we do have, it says baby healing ointment, baby sensitive skin, a skin protectant. I'm sure that is awesome to have because you never know what you need for babies, and you'll have everything set. So here is the healing ointment, nice full bottle, and that is a great brand right there. So that's awesome. Babies definitely need that. This is what was making that sound. How cute. It says pull the tab before you try me. So it must make noise. So I'm going to pull the tab before she tries it. I pulled the tab. Do you turn it on? I don't know how. Shake to activate lights and sound. Relaxing sounds, colorful patterns. And then oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna just turn it to the off position because there's an on and an off switch, just so in transit, you know how the postal service handles packages, this thing will be going off all the time. They'll be like, what in the world? So I'll turn it off so the battery doesn't die while it's being shipped to her. But you have this really cute, it says Fox Rain Stick Rattle. I've never seen anything like that before. That is so, so cute. Okay, so now let's go with the outfit. So number one, it says it's a 2-piece set with accessories. So here is like a little headband, and it has the red with the white hearts. Totally perfect for Valentine's Day. I really, really, really hope this can get to her, even if it gets to her on Saturday, which is Valentine's Day. Like, I just would love for her to have this on Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna do my damnedest to get it to her in time. Look at how cute! The little onesie. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. And this is in the 18 months. See, again, you just tell her the size. And if her supplier does tell her that the clothing sizes runs higher or lower, she will adjust that. So if you, let's just say hypothetically, you're in a 2T and you get something that says a 3T, then her supplier told her it runs smaller and she will adjust that for you. So you don't have to worry about a thing. Boxes are built just for that child. So that is adorable. And then is this overalls? Oh my goodness, it is overall dress with the hearts on the front of those pockets. Oh my gosh, the little pockets. That is adorable, you guys. She is going to look so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see her in this outfit, you guys. Look at how stinking cute. That is perfect for Valentine's Day. And then even if it's not Valentine's Day, I mean, the little hearts, I mean, that's still okay to wear anytime as well, but that is adorable. Oh my gosh, I can't get over how cute that outfit is. Okay, so now we have, it is a Sesame Street on the farm, and there's Elmo, and it is the cardboard thick stock like paper pages. Super, super cute. I love when they put reading books in here for the kids. They can always use a book at any age. So I love that there's books in these boxes for them. So on the farm, Sesame Street. And then there's always one special gift in here for the mom. It could be anything and everything under the sun. It's a free item just for the mom, so they have something special too. And this month, oh, there's 2 different things in here. You have a brightening aloe vera face mask sheet, and and there's grapeseed in the back. This one, it looks like it's it's aloe vera, and then this side is grapeseed. So there's 2 face masks, and then there is the foot peeling mask, so you can peel your feet, and then you can have 2 different sheet masks. I love putting these in the refrigerator because they feel so good going on cold. And then the foot peeling ones are amazing. The first time I used a foot peeler, like before they started peeling, my feet and like up through my ankles started tingling. I thought something was like medically wrong. I'm like, why are my feet tingling? I didn't even dawn on me that my feet were in the peeling process. And then a few days later, my feet were like peeling like there was no tomorrow. And then that feeling went away, because I was almost to the point where I was gonna go to the doctor. Like, because you know, sometimes when you have numbing and stuff, like that could be wrong. And I'm a big girl, so that was a little alarming. But if your feet start tingling, just know it's starting to tighten up your skin, I guess, and peel and do its thing. So yeah, but that my very first time was a little scary experience, but at least now you live and you learn. Now I know what to expect. But these are just 2 free gifts. Normally there's 1, but I guess since they're masks, you got 2 different ones in there. So the mom gets spoiled with these 2 items. That is awesome. So a quick recap, the mom gets 2 different types of masks, 1 for your feet and 1 or 2 for your face. You have the reading book, the most cutest, oh my goodness, outfit. So, so cute. You have the rattle, you have the little stuffed, is it a monkey? Yes, the monkey. And then you have the healing ointment. Oh my goodness, you guys. That is amazing box for her. Again, that's for a 1-year-old who is in 18 months clothing. And I'm just so glad I get to bring you guys a smaller box again, show you a new face, a new model, and I get the cutest little models on my channel with all these little kids. So next month, let's see what we get and let's see which child will be the model for next month. I'm so excited to see these boxes every single month. I just love baby clothes and I love how she curates these boxes, again, with the seasons, the milestones, the time of year, and all of that. So I love how they do these boxes. So if you like pricing on this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. If you want to do the gold term, that's month per month. You can cancel at any time with any of the levels, but the gold term is $51.95 per box. If you want to save some money, you can go to the silver 6-month plan. That brings your box price down to $45.95. If you want to save even more money, you can go to the platinum, which is the full 12-month prepaid plan, bringing your box price down to $43 per box. So that is awesome. If you want to do a one-time gift box, if you know someone that's having a birthday, a baby shower, anything like that, a surprise me, you can do a one-time gift box. It's $65. That one comes with free US shipping is included. You tell them the gender and the color and the size, and they will take all of the guesswork out, build that box, and ship it. You can ship it straight to the recipient since it's free shipping to the US, or you can ship it straight to you if you're going to attend and you can bring it with you. So you do have that option for the one-time box if you would like to grab one of those. And again, she does have her book that will be linked down below as well. Everything will be in the description box for you. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.